Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Know your TV model and firmware, and check whether you use Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then power cycle both TV and router. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then turn back on, because many issues clear after a reset. Sign out of the YouTube app now so you can test a fresh session. This isolates account sync problems. Once done, make sure your network shows full strength and that the TV's date and time are correct, since mismatches block connections. Next, update or reinstall the YouTube app. Open the TV App Store, search YouTube, and choose Update or Uninstall, then Reinstall. This replaces corrupted files. If your TV settings allow, clear the app cache and app data to remove stale configurations, then reboot the set. Also inspect HDMI and external device settings. Turn off HDMI CEC and unplug boxes temporarily, because signal handoffs can freeze the app. After these steps, launch YouTube and watch for improved load times and restored play. For final checks, run a network speed test on the TV or nearby device. Aim for at least 3 to 5 Mbps for standard quality, 5 to 10 Mbps for HD. If routing still blocks YouTube, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 on the TV to bypass ISP hiccups, then reboot. If nothing fixes it, perform a factory reset but back up your settings and credentials first, because you will lose them. If problems remain, note the error code for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.